Hello and welcome back to Microsoft Excel Course Advanced Part 12. In Part 12, we will talk about hyperlinks on worksheet. We will see how we can establish a link to an existing file from our Excel worksheet, how we can establish a link to a web page or an email address or to this data which is present on the same worksheet. Plus, we will also see how we can insert a picture or a shape on a worksheet and then create a hyperlink, that is clicking on that button we will be taken to a different web page or a site or a worksheet data. So here is our worksheet where we will try and insert some hyperlinks. So first of all, let's discuss what exactly are hyperlinks. So since we are using computers every day, we are searching the web, we are making use of internet, be on any kind of a device, maybe your laptop or a mobile phone or iPad. So hyperlink is a colored and underlined text or a graphics, icon, picture, button. It can be a shape which can be used to refer to a web page or an email address, to a document, or clicking on which you are taking to a specific location on a different document or on the same document. But you have to have that hyperlink, that text, underlined text, and you will be clicking on that particular link to perform some kind of an action. So there are two types of hyperlinks. One is relative hyperlink, where we give the partial address of the destination file. Now the source and the destination file need to be on the same location, same drive, so that we can give only the partial address. If they are moved from one to the other location, then it will result in an error. In case of absolute reference, that is the second type of a reference, it contains the full address of the destination file. So we have an example over here. These are all the topics which we are going to cover. We'll see how we can create a hyperlink over here. To create a hyperlink, say if I want to insert a link over here in this particular cell, this active cell, I have to go to insert. Just simply click on insert, and in your insert tab and your links group on the ribbon, you'll have a link group, or if you are using a different version, you will be having something known as hyperlinks. You can click on that. Click on links. A dialog box will open. The insert hyperlink dialog box will open. It will be the same on each and every version. Same box will be there. On the left hand side, you can see what all you can link over here. So we are trying to link an existing file. If I click on existing file, you will be asked what text you want to display. Say I want to link to a file, say Excel file part 11. Not necessary that you link to an Excel file only. You can link to any kind of file. That file will be open for you. So I want to display my part 11 file, which the earlier file where we were working. I want to display that. This is the text which I want to appear on this cell. It will ask you where you can always browse from here and search for the location, search for the destination. You will be shown, since I have this folder in place, I can see all the files which are present in this folder. I want this particular file. You just have to click the file whichever you want to add. If you want, you can add a screen tip also, that if I hover my mouse pointer on this particular text which is appearing over here, it should give me some tip over here, screen tip. Say if I say click here, you can see the tip over there. Click on OK. I have selected my file. You can see the address, it is in the same folder. So, and click on OK. You can see part 11, it's a hyperlink and underlined text. If I hover the mouse pointer over here, you can see the text. Click here. If I click on this, that particular file will open for me. Let's click on this part 11. You can see the file being opened for you. Let's go back to our file. Now I want to make a link to a web page. So again, same procedure, insert, or you can click on link. I want to create a link to an existing page. What text you want to add? I want to open Google. So I don't have it over here. Either I can click on browse page and select it from here, or I can type in the address over here, say www.google.com, and click on OK. So Google is appearing as a hyperlink. You can, if I hover, by default you can see this screen tip for you. You can click, it will open Google page for you. Let's open. You can see the Google page being opened in front of you. Let's go back to our sheet. Now there might be a case that I'm working on a worksheet which has n number of data, and I want to move to a particular location in the same document. So that can also be done. Now this time in the shortcut, let's use the shortcut. You can always press Ctrl+K to open the insert hyperlink box. So we want to refer to a place in this document, link to a place in this document. The moment you click on this, it will show you what text you want to show in this particular hyperlink text box. You can always choose a text of your choice. I want to go to cell number A20. So this is the sheet where my data is, and which cell you want to go to. I want to go to cell number A20. So your sheet and a cell number. You can select a different sheet also in the same workbook. You are in the same workbook and you just have to select a sheet and click on OK. So part 12, this is sheet number part 12, and I want to go to A20. Click on A20. The cell number A20 will become the active cell. The pointer will move to that particular address. Now another thing which we can do to a place in this document, I told you, you can move to a different sheet also. So let's move to a different sheet also. This was in the same sheet. This time let's go to part, say 10 over here. So I want to go to sheet part 10 to cell A1. Let's click on OK. Click on this. You are taken to a sheet part 10, and the first cell address which we have given, A1, the pointer is placed. The active cell is the A1 cell. Let's go back to our example. Now we want to, from our Excel worksheet, we want to create a new document. So to create a new document, there's one option over there. I want to create a new document. What text you want to have, what text you want to display in that file. Say I want to say new Excel file. I'm trying to create a new Excel file. What will be the name of this file? Say new examples. You can edit the new document later, or you can edit the new document now. So it will, the moment you click on that particular hyperlink, it will open a new workbook for you. Both the ways can be done. You can always change the path of this particular file wherever you want to create a new document. Click on OK. You are done. The moment we click on this, a new document will be opened for you. You can see a new document being created with the name new examples. Okay, now if you want to create a hyperlink to a email address, that can also be done. Say from here, last option, email address. What text you want to display? I want to display that this is the text, the address, any subject line if you want to say, and then you can have any subject line which you want to insert over here. You can insert it over here and click on OK. So if I click on this email address over here, it will open this box for me. It will ask me to email address over here. That can always be done. Anytime you want to remove a hyperlink, you can right click. From here also you have these option of editing a hyperlink. You can open the hyperlink, and you can also remove the hyperlink which you have created on your document. It is available for all of these. See, if I want to remove, edit, or open the hyperlink, if I click on open hyperlink, it will open it for me. Alright. Now we can also have shapes as a hyperlink. So for that, let's click on illustrations and insert a shape. We can insert a picture and create a hyperlink for that as well. I have a shape over here. This is the shape. Let's put in some text over here. Say click here. This is the text which we have over here, and let's create a hyperlink for this. Right click, or you can go to insert and select from there. Say I want to have the web address, say I want to open Yahoo from here. Click on OK. So a link is being created. If I click on this, the web page will be open. Similarly, you can have a picture or any kind of an icon over here which can be clicked, which can be linked with a hyperlink, and you can use it for moving to a different location. So in this part, we have discussed how we can create a link to an existing file, to a web page, to a new document, to an email address, or to the part of a document. Not only in Excel, but you can link to other documents, other applications as well, documents in other applications as well. In the next part, part 13, we will discuss how we can import data from external sources. Till then, take care. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.